So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to add apps to EE box, install from store, sign in and fix not downloading. So if you have a EE box Pro, you can install app directly. Devices like EE box mini or older EE boxes do not allow installing new apps manually. In that case, you should have Smart TV, or you can also connect devices such as Amazon Fire Stick TV or Google Chromecast with Google TV to install additional streaming apps. Step 1 is using App Store. Turn on your EE Box Pro and press the home button on the remote. Open the Apps or App Store Google Play Store section from the main menu. Use the search icon to find the app you want, such as Netflix or Disney Plus. Select the app and choose install. The app will download and appear in your app list. Second method is use a streaming device. Connect a streaming device such as Apple TV, Chromecast, Fire TV Stick or Roku to your TV. Open the device's app store and download to your app. Sign in to your respective account and watch content on your TV. Sign in to the installed app. Open the installed app from the app section, select sign in or login. Enter your account email and password or follow the activation code shown on the TV. Once verified, the app load your account and you can start streaming. Third is fix apps not downloading on EE box. Restart your device, power off your EE box and unplug it from the power source. Wait about 10 seconds, then power it on again to refresh the system and clear temporary glitches. Confirm the box is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Reconnect the network if needed. Second is check network connection. Make sure the EE box is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Go to setting, then broadband connection. Check for internet connection. If the connection is weak or disconnected, reconnect to Wi-Fi or restart your router and try downloading the app again. Thank you.